What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mullah. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add plugins to your WordPress website. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing you do after you sign into your WordPress website, click plugins and then click install plugins. As you guys can see, here is the plugins that I'm currently using in my website. So what I'm gonna do now is click add plugins, and the first one I'm gonna search is Elementor, like this, and we're gonna add Elementor to our website. Which makes customizing the website easier than coding. So once you have this page, you can go back. The second one we're gonna install is Element Sketch. Which is this one. So I'm gonna click install now. Click activate. Now we're gonna search Lightspeed Cache. Let's do it here. Add plugin. Lightspeed Cache. Let's search here is the one that we're looking for, so click install now. So this one is important, guys. Now search WP Forms. I think we already have that one, but which is this one. So if you don't have this one, make sure you install and activate this one, because this one helps with AI forms, for example, like contact forms or payment forms, if you're gonna sell digital products or anything in your WordPress website. Now we can also add, let's check it one more time. For example, like share my post, or let's find one that is much better than that one. For example, we can also install WooCommerce, since we're gonna sell digital products. Click activate. Search content views. And make sure you install this one. Let's check this one and see if it's a good one. I think we can try this one. So click install now. Activate. So if we go to the home page in our website and open the first article, I think we still need to customize the plugin, so we can do that later. For now, I think we do have the necessary plugins to start working on our website. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get the latest Morph Guide tutorials. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. See you guys on the next one. Bye.